Look, man, they got all types of food trucks here, man. The Walla.
The first you had
melt
a patty melt
right
and a burrata patty melt.
There it is. I just think I'm gonna try the banana pudding. Where you guys from?
Out of Memphis.
They out of Memphis, y'all.
Sense isn't how these people are making real regards to like liking the YouTube channel. What are your
What's going on, family? It's your man, Mad DV. We're here, man. It's windy. We're in Folly Beach, man. And I heard that there's like these food trucks over here, and I'm going over to see what it's all about. How is it? Oh, wow. What is it?
Potpourri of flavors.
Oh, it's a potpourri of flavors. It looks like it.
Oh, we got more Jersey all the way from Jersey.
I want a burger. I want a burger, man. I want a burger. I want a burger. Yes, indeed.
We got the first sale of the day.
Hook me up. This is what it is, man. We're gonna get that burger, man. We getting the Walla Burger from Burger Walla. And then we're gonna go sit down and eat it, man. All right, let's check it out. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna taste. Look, he's sharing. Not that much. I'm about to. Yeah. That's perfect. Look, man, we about to, and what is this? This is from the Hibachi.
Chicken from the Good Fortune Company.
Okay, this is a Good Fortune Company, y'all, right over there. This young man from Louisiana, New Orleans.
From outside of New Orleans.
He's from NOLA.
Honey Island Swamp, but yeah.
Okay, you guys together?
This is my cousin.
Oh yeah. Look, that's Cuzzo right there, y'all. Let's check it out, man. Columbus, Ohio, the Buckeye State. What y'all know about that? What you know about the east side, west side? Let me stop. Let's check this out. That is really spicy. That's good, man. I'll taste some sesame. It's got sesame, yeah. Sesame seeds on.
Get some more, man. I'm
about to eat this burger. I'm about to cut the burger in half because I want to go over there too. The fat.
You need to cut the burger in half. It's huge.
Yeah.
It's filling, but it was really good. Let me tell you.
We're gonna eat half that burger, man. This meal right here is absolutely delicious. Thank you, man. Thanks for sharing. That look like a vegan dish right there, y'all. He want me to try this. And I just threw my spoon. Can I have a spoon, Lee? You have a spoon?
I'm not bashful. I'm from the country, man. You could just stick your fingers in there. I'm not really...
Oh, look, we got a spoon, man. We're gonna be civilized today. I was gonna use my Carolina fork. I'm sorry. Let's go for it, man. What's your name again? Dylan. This is Dylan, y'all. They was calling him Dylan, Dylan. Hold on, we gotta get some chick bean. Hold on. Here we go, right there. Look, it's got some onions on there. I'm shaking. I'm dropping. Hold up.
I haven't done it yet, so you let me know what I'm getting into.
That's fire. Yeah, it's cheesy. It's delicious, man. Yeah.
The originator.
The Walla.
The first you had a patty melt and a burrata patty melt.
There it is. Don't y'all look. Don't be trying to bite it. Yo, we about to go over to the side and eat this. Look at that, man. Yo, we about to get this. That's good, right? Yeah. Yo, they from Newark right here, y'all. From Newark down here in the southern states representing Burger Walla. Who'da thunk it? Let's see how it tastes. Oh, wow. The flavor in that burger, and I know stuff on my mouth, I don't care. It's absolutely delicious. This tastes oniony. The beef has so much flavor in it, man. And that Walla sauce is to die for. Them onions too, man. All of the flavors in this thing right here. Look at it. Look at the juice dripping off of it. Delicious. Those onions taste a little sweet too. Look at that juice. I gotta get that juice, y'all.
You're getting too heavy for me.
Oh, look.
I can't eat any more of that.
Look, I'm only gonna eat the other half of this.
Dude, that's so
What's your
heavy.
name once again?
Dylan.
Dylan. Oh, of course.
Yeah.
They've been calling Dylan all morning, y'all.
Well, I want to try everything, but then this is like, if I eat any more of this, I'm gonna be.
I'm not gonna be able to eat it
Yeah.
because I'm going to your spot over there.
Yeah, that's good. All right, man.
I'm gonna eat this about down to
What was
there.
that?
This was the Walla Burger
Oh, same
patty.
place, same
Yep,
place.
yeah, same spot.
Okay,
yep.
yeah. All right,
Thanks,
bro.
man.
Yeah, take
I'm
care,
gonna
man.
see you guys in a minute. I'm not leaving yet.
Yeah.
Yep.
No worries.
Yo, this food is delicious. I just can't eat all of that. Man. I could just do this and be gone. This is perfect, y'all. I keep looking for my car over there because I parked over there and then I didn't want to pay $2.50 an hour. Pay $5, $6, right? Is it raining? Yep. Yep. Got folks from Newark right here, y'all. Oh, would y'all get the Wally melt? The Wally melt.
Yeah. China fries.
Oh, no. Everybody trying to feed me, y'all.
It was gonna be a.
All right, I'm gonna get one fry, just one.
You're welcome. What's up?
Cause it,
Oh, they finally opened up.
the fries are delicious too, y'all. Y'all know I had the chickpeas; they were delicious.
They
got a
vegan. That's the vegan option, the chickpeas.
The guy Dylan shared his food with me,
Oh my God, this thing is huge.
and he wanted to give me the chickpeas, and I just can't eat it. I'm trying to hit another truck before I leave. This is for J.E. Lane. I don't have any napkins, J.E. Lane. I'm sorry. She's one of our subscribers that always say that I should carry napkins in my bag. Oh, you know what? There are napkins in there. I was lying, y'all. I got napkins. We got family here from Jersey representing.
Hey.
Right there. And look, they got their food. They getting their eat on. Look at this, man. What's that? The double. You got the double.
Hey, well, if you're gonna do it right.
She said she ain't playing. Y'all thought this was a game. She said y'all thought this was a game. This ain't no game.
We came to play. I just say I ain't no salad eating chick.
All right, I'm going to get something else, y'all, from another truck.
Peach drink is on fire.
Oh, the peach drink, y'all.
Good.
What's that stuff on the side of it?
It's kind of like a tahini.
Spicy?
It's spicy, but it's really good.
She said it's on fire, y'all. That just got hot spices on it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Nice.
Nice little salt, little heat on it. I like it.
All right, y'all, here we go. I just changed my mind, right? I was gonna get another entree, but this guy over here, he's been yelling banana pudding.
Got the best banana pudding.
So I changed my mind, y'all. I'm not gonna get the food from that truck. I just think I'm gonna try the banana pudding. Where you guys from?
Out of Memphis.
They out of Memphis, y'all. Let's get the banana pudding, man. I wanna do that.
I got a banana pudding walking
Banana pudding, y'all. There it is right there, $10. Banana pudding. What is that? Miso caramel.
So caramel, yeah.
You know, I know what caramel is, and I know what miso is.
There
but
it is.
Miso.
But you put them together.
He said, there it is.
What's a good name for your order?
My name's Matt DV. Yeah,
It's gonna be $10 even, Bob.
$10. Y'all take card too, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, y'all. Let me pay, and we'll come back when I get the food. Miso caramel. I thought you was like Yuso
Oh,
caramel.
I like that though.
Miso caramel banana pudding, y'all.
Goodies.
Let's
Good
check
stuff.
this out, y'all. Let's get it. Oh, I got the spoon too, y'all.
yeah.
Here we go. Let's walk
Enjoy,
over.
Bob.
We're gonna eat this. Thank you. Oh, here we go. I'm about to go back over here to my office. I got the miso caramel banana pudding. Yeah, it looks delicious, right? I'm going to my office to eat it. Yeah, back to my table. Now he's leaving. What's going on? You leaving your stuff?
Oh no, I found that.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't know who had. Oh, that was really good.
Oh, you done had it all, man. He have its vanilla wafers on the top there. Can you guys see that? But I just want to bypass that and get into that creaminess right there. Let's check it out. I got that whipped cream. I got the vanilla wafers in my mouth. I got a piece of banana here. This is good, y'all. It's official. If the brother from New Orleans said it was official, it's official. I thought that was another. I thought I just ate a banana, but that was another vanilla wafer that actually got all of that pudding soaked up into it, where it was nice, soft, and crunchy at the same time. Look at this. It's really filling. I've just skimmed the surface on it, y'all. I gotta go deep on it. All right, here we go. We going in. Oh, wow. It tastes pecan-y. Maybe that's that caramel. I don't see any pecans in it, and I'm sure there's no nuts in it. This is official. Now I want to know how many calories this is. This is really good, man.
It's like not too filling, but you can keep eating it.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Yeah.
It's a mess.
What's your channel, man? Oh, let me take a picture of that.
You might as well just log on to YouTube now, man, and go ahead and subscribe.
Hey, I trust you. I will.
Thank you. This is a mess right here.
Gotcha.
Oh, yes. Yeah,
man.
thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yep.
Man. Love your personality.
Thank you.
What do you mean?
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, I already got that.
Yep. Yep. So he was just subscribing. He was supporting the channel by subscribing. That was a hint to you, right?
I got it.
I'm not gonna tell you like said yes. Okay.
I got
That was
you.
his practice.
Okay.
Look, y'all. I'm out here having a ball. Here in South Carolina, Folly Beach. Just a slight drizzle. But I ain't worried about nothing. 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 Only thing I don't like about this is that I can't lick in there. I'm gonna have to cut this open to get my mouth in there. That's a deep shame, y'all. For those who thought this was a game, I just dropped a little bit. I am so mad right now. I ain't worried about nothing. I'm trying to get all of this. Remember Mama used to make cake? She make the cake mix in that bowl, and then we used to sit there like this, waiting for that bowl, so we can take our finger and just, I can't do that, y'all. My finger be sticky all day. Oh my goodness, y'all don't tip me. Let me just use the spoon to do that. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. I'm looking trifling out here, y'all. Look in this cup. I'm about to put this cup in my bag so I can get into it later. Y'all crazy, man.
Good day. It's a good day. It's a good day in the neighborhood.
Okay, y'all, that was like really, really cool. And right now it's really windy out here and it's starting to rain. There's actually tornado warnings in the area. So we're about to go get in the car. The food was delicious, man. We had some great dessert. We had some great Burger Walla. from our friend Kai Campbell from Newark, New Jersey. So right now I'm about to go get in the car, man, because I'm full and y'all know I'm gonna have to really go poop real soon. Anyway, this your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people, but I love you cats. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Y'all see I had to use the restrooms, right? And the sign said restrooms closed at the other spot, but these cats right here, they was like, yo, come check out our restroom, right? Yep. And what's the name of this spot?
Pier 101.
This Pier 101, y'all. They sell really good food from what I'm seeing.
Oh yeah,
right?
This is good right here. Yeah,
because my dad told me if you see the plate empty, that the food was really good. So what else did you have?
I'm saying? Oh, just fries.
Oh, so that's you want to do that again?
So you had something real good.
Yeah,
He's like, just fries. Wait a minute, he got fries left. That's
I
not
had
good.
2 tacos with shrimp.
Yeah, man, he had a lot of stuff.
Aioli on
And
it.
evidently he ate all of it. And they just subscribed, man, and they let me use their facility, so we're really grateful for them. You guys have a beautiful day.
Thank you too.
Peace. Take care.
Have a good